Don't tell me the perforations are gonna show up. There's no way.
Let's see.
Oh, dude, look at that.
What?
Loading customizer. Probably gonna be really cheesy. Whoa, dude. Oh, nice. That looks seriously legit. Hey, yo, Brandon.
Yes?
Brandon, you gotta come check this thing out, man.
Okay. Oh, man. Oh, I hope he didn't realize I was sleeping. Hey, I was just testing the Valencia Theater seats. What's up?
Dude, you gotta check out this 3D visualizer. Mo just let me know about this thing, and this 3D visualizer that they have now, literally you can customize every single option on here. I had to show you this.
Seriously?
Yeah, like it's got this, I'm like, look how fluid that is too. I can look at this entire seat. These are the same seats that I have in my home theater that I installed in the shed. I can choose literally any option that I want. Crazy, like they have all their different types of leathers in here. Like look at that, you can see the texture.
Look at that.
I changed, oh dude, they've got Grupo Mastrato leather in here. Let me see what that looks like. It's their Tuscania name, but that's Grupo Mastrato.
That looks crazy.
Yeah, that's the same leather that they put in Ferraris and Lamborghinis, Prada, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. I mean, that's legit leather right there. And look, you can see the texture. That is sweet.
I like the lighting effects too.
Oh yeah, really good lighting effect. And if like they've got it in a dark, but you can change this right here and make it all light.
Oh dang.
So you can just get different lighting on it, which is pretty cool. And look at this right here. You're actually pricing it out while you're designing it. So right now, we chose the most expensive right here, Grupo Mastrato leather. It's the highest quality leather you can get, but
we got to.
Yeah, we have to. I mean, go big or go home. Like we can go red. Ooh, whoa.
Whoa, that's super bright.
A little violent, but I mean, some people are into that.
There's so many options.
Note, that's a kind of cool color, kind of like a blue color. We can go two-tone with it. So let's, we'll go with Grupo Mastrato two-tone.
Oh.
Maybe put a dark brown. That's pretty classy look right there with the brown and the blue leather.
Yeah, I think I'm digging that.
Ooh, some solid red oak.
Whoa.
Look at that. Look at the gloss even on that. Like they've got reflection engines in this.
This is quite the visualizer.
This is just running in chrome too.
This feels like I'm actually there.
Yeah. You can change, oh look, you even changed the finish. Oh, look at that. We just changed the finish and the reflection changed.
Wow.
See that?
Wow.
Boom, boom, boom.
That is crazy.
Oh, we can change our wood color. Ebony, redwood, walnut. Wow, there's just so many different options. Perforated leather. Don't tell me the perforations are gonna show up. There's no way.
Let's see.
Oh, dude, look at that.
What?
Perforated seats for ventilation. It actually visualizes it. Piping options. Oh, look, we can change different colors. So let's see. It's the piping right along here and here.
Oh, okay.
So if we come, let's just do something crazy so it stands out. Ooh, look at that stripes.
Wow. What about red?
Red might be cool.
Ooh.
There's a little red action going. Let's actually make the insert right here, the two-tone red as well. There we go. And now let's make the Grupo Mastrato main. Let's
Look at that.
You want a race car theme? Like that looks like you're sitting in a Ferrari. I wonder if we can change the color of those lights. Where, oh, here it is, RGB LED lighting, add.
What?
Oh, look at the red lights.
No way.
That's pretty sick. What's the custom embroidery? Personalized text. Well, look at there. There's my Mansell racing seats.
That's awesome.
That's pretty cool.
What about custom logo?
You could get your own logo, like your business, your company. I don't know if you could use licensed logos, like put an actual Ferrari logo on there or not. I don't know what the licensing agreements on that are, but you can actually send them a graphic and get your own graphic put right on there.
Huh.
This is all stitching that's on there. Speaking of stitching, I wonder if they'll visualize the cross stitching. Right here, stitching options.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Oh, here we go. Add cross stitching.
What?
There it is.
They have double stitching too?
Double stitching? Oh, I think that's called French stitching. Yeah, French diamond stitching.
That's crazy.
Let me see. We need to.
Let's change the color. You can't really see that.
That's really evident. White with it, and then we'll change the two-tone to a darker finish.
What?
Now, actually, we'll go back to red. Let's switch it back to red. There we go. That shows up.
We could do so much stuff with this.
Wait, shouldn't we just go to your home theater to see the seat?
That is an excellent idea.
Please tell me you're not gonna do that cheesy transition where you snap your fingers.
Absolutely. Well, here we are in my home theater that I built in a shed. If you have not seen my video where I took a boring shed and turned it into this amazing epic home theater, be sure to check that out. You know where it is. It's up there above. You can click on it. But for right now, let's take a look at this 3D customizer right here, because I want to go through this and really show you guys each one of these options so you know where they're at on the seat to really help you understand what you're changing when you change each one of these options. So I'm just going to be pointing them out to you as we go, and we're going to move our way right through this. Now, I'm just doing a mock customization on here, but I really like this customizer, so I really think I'm going to be doing my own customization. Even though I have these nice seats, I just think it would look really sweet if I had some of their nice materials, maybe even that Grupo Mastrato leather seats in this front row. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, click that bell notification, and be on the lookout for a video coming very soon that I'm gonna show you guys the entire process so you guys can see me ordering the seats, and then when they deliver, I'll record the whole thing. So be sure to stay tuned and subscribe to that. But let's break this down here and go right through this. So the first option that you're gonna see here is the leather option. Now you get several different options, but in this case, let's just choose this Tuscania, which is the Grupo Mastrato leather. When you change that, it's just going to change all the leather on this. And so if we look at the seats, this, you know, and these are leather all the way around. Hey, do you want some new Grupo Mastrato leather? I think that's a yes, for sure. And then the color, the primary color here, this is going to be the overall leather color. If you don't choose a two-tone, it's going to be the entire leather that you see on the entire seat here. Moving on, we go to the two-tone. When you choose two-tone, you've got two different types of leather to choose from here. Right to the base of the headrest, this is the center two-tone, which I think really looks sharp. I'm probably gonna do something like that. It is an upcharge, a slight upcharge to do that, but I just think that really sets your seats apart from all the rest. Then coming down here, the premium wood option. So right there, you can see it goes right from the front of the cup holder all the way down to the bottom. And then you got a variety of options to choose from there. I won't go through all those options, but there's colors and finishes, matte, glossy. And then stitching options. So this right here is a diamond pattern stitching, and this is a standard diamond pattern. If we select the French diamond stitching, it actually has 2 stitches. It would be double this, which makes the diamond pattern slightly smaller, but you have that double stitching all the way down each one. And then another option here is you can select add cross stitching. When you select add cross stitching, this just means that they're gonna use a different stitching thread color here than they do on the rest of the chair. So it really makes this cross stitching stand out quite a bit when you do that, especially if you pick a contrasting color that's extremely contrasting from the rest. Perforated leather, this is gonna be a nice breathing option for where you sit. So it's gonna be for the back and then the front, basically the entire area where you've got this cross stitching and where you have the two-tone color. Piping here, we'll just choose that same Tuscania, the Grupo Mastrato. The piping is gonna be this edge. I'm gonna choose a red color just so you can see it well, but this right here is what's called piping. And they can do a separate color right along this edge. It's a little pricey because I got to do a different leather all along these trim areas, but it's a way to really set off the look of all of these seams, including in the armrest. You're gonna have that all along here. Then the custom embroidery, you've got 2 options, and you can type out any text that you want here. If you just want an M, choose a few different fonts there, but that's just gonna go right up here. And when you do choose the custom personalized text or the custom logo, you have the option to send in a graphics file, a logo file to Valencia Theater Seating. A customer support agent's gonna reach out to you after you place the order to finalize those details. So don't worry about having it too finalized here in the visualizer. Then there's another cool option right here, the RGB LED lighting. So by default, you're just gonna have blue. Blue is going to be the only option that you have for the LED lights inside the cup holder. With the LED lighting options, you have 7 different colors you're going to be able to choose from, which is really nice. You'll be able to control that right from your seat. You don't have to decide which color you want. You'll actually be able to get 7 different colors. In addition to that, you get memory seats, which is really cool. You're going to be able to set your preferred recline, lumbar support, and headrest and then have that memory, just like you do in a car, any type of luxury car where you got a memory setting. That's something that also comes with the RGB LED with memory control. Really nice feature. That feature alone is one of my motivating factors to replace this front row and order custom seats, because you can only get that when you do the custom seats. All right, moving on here to cup holder finishes. You've got a variety of things to choose from here. You got gold, black chrome, which is one of my favorite, and then you've got regular chrome, and then you've got silver and standard. And then the accessory finish, that's gonna be this right here, which this is for any type of their very cool accessories that they sell. This, for instance, is the wine glass holder, which is nice. You can put your wine glass right in there. You can get in a variety of colors as well. You've also got the black chrome, the black, and the gold. And then base shakers. This is a pretty cool one. I'm definitely gonna do this. So I actually have base shakers already. This is gonna be cool because Valencia Theater will install these for you, and then all you have to do is wire them up when you get your seats. So this is a really nice option for them to add the base shakers directly to the seats pre-installed, which is really nice. And then one more option down here, you can get an extended warranty, 5-year extended warranty, and then configuration options. You can do straight or curved. So straight or curved, it's gonna add a little bit of cost, but as you can see here in these seats, these are all straight. If I wanted to, I could have done these in curved configuration, which just kind of puts everybody at the same distance from the screen. In my situation here, curved really wouldn't work out, but it is something that you can do. And then the straight configuration, you've got a variety of seat positions that you can choose. If you want 3, if you want 4 in a love seat, right here, these are individuals, but up top, we've got a love seat and 2 singles. Whatever configuration you want to put together, and they'll make them accordingly. You can also add a 7-inch riser. So if you don't want to build a riser like I built a riser right into this room, you can order a 7-inch riser and they'll send a riser for the seats for that back row, which is a really nice, easy option, especially if you don't want anything permanent built into the room. And then the last here are just these accessories. I do not have the iPad mount, but this here is the carbon fiber tray, which is nice because it swivels around. Careful you don't hit your little dogs when you're swiveling it, but really sturdy. In fact, that's what this laptop is sitting on right there. And then you saw the wine glass holder earlier, because I'll come in here and, you know, just sit down. You can have your food here and do your work here and watch your movie here and talk to the camera here. It's pretty nice. So there you go. Hopefully that helped you guys kind of understand the variety that you can choose from. I'm really impressed with this new Valencia Theater Seating 3D customizer. If you have not checked it out, I put a link in the description down below that will take you right to that customizer. Be sure to click on it, play with it, dream a little. Even if you can't afford it yet, configure yours as much as you want to. And then what I want you to do is I want you to customize a seat to what you like, and then post it to social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to post your picture, but make sure you hashtag Valencia Theater Seating, hashtag Valencia Theater Seating, and also, and I'll put all this in the description, also put in there hashtag 3D Customizer, because I want to track those. I want to see your guys' ideas and designs that you come up with in these theater seats. I think it's exciting to see other people's creative ideas. And then one more thing I'm gonna throw in here. I'm gonna be doing another giveaway. And what I decided to do is that on this video and any other videos going forward, until I do the big video where I'm gonna do my own custom seats and order them and show them being delivered, I'm gonna be giving away Valencia Theater seats. So I want you guys to comment on this video right here and on any other videos coming up, and you can get an entry for every single video that I put out between now and then. You can only get 1 entry per video, but comment down below and share this video, and be sure to hashtag Valencia Theater Seating and hashtag 3D Customizer. And if you guys want me to pick the most expensive Grupo Mostrado leather and just go big time with this front row, let me know in the comments down below if you want me just to go all out on the customizer and see if Valencia Theater Seating will even like put them together. I just feel like I want to pick every single option that they have in here and see if they actually build it. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Until then, watch this video right here. I think you might really like this one if you're into home theaters.